Euro USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about euro against dollar, the most traded pair. Before we start the video, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video you will find some links. You can check out these links, check out the free Telegram. If you want some free signals, join Telegram. Check out the brokers and the pro firms, register with them, start trading, and yeah, go and check out all these things in your free time. Subscribe, like, everything is free. Let's get back. It's very interesting pair. Has been since last 10 days, starting with the top-down approach, weekly time frame. Quite simple to my eye. We are continuing the uptrend because previous high in weekly was broken. Then we took a pullback for a month. Then now we're going up again. So we are supposed to take down this high, or we might even go for this new high of 1500. Okay, right now we are at 1351. I'm expecting it to go to 1500 in weekly, but that's too far. So let's get back to daily, to what's going to happen today. If you watch my previous video, I told you that we are continuing the uptrend, and I'm still thinking we are going to take down this high. So it is a chance, possibility. I'm not sure if I'm not sure if that will definitely happen, but I'm expecting this high to be broken by tonight. Okay, so when the market closes today, I'm expecting this high will be broken by this blue candle. Only the time will tell. But after this candle is broken in daily, then on Monday we will take a pullback and then we'll continue going up for this high. Okay, but let's talk about intraday traders for today. What we're gonna do today? Today you can see we are clearly in 4 hour above the EMA. This was your perfect sniper entry. If you watch my yesterday's Euro USD video, in 4 hour I told you that I think I was here on this candle when I was recording yesterday's video. So on this candle I said that we will take the pullback of this trend. So this was the uptrend. Use your fib levels, then wait for the pullback. I also said yesterday that we might touch down the EMA and then take a rejection and then continue upwards. That is what exactly happened. Go and watch my yesterday's video. Okay, so yesterday I told you this will be a pullback and then rejection from the EMA. This was the candle you were supposed to enter, and let's see, when was it? It was at 1280. So if you would have entered buy here after 1280, now we are at 1350. So you got your 70 pips if you entered at this candle. Otherwise, if you want to enter buy now, you can enter buy now for 20 pips only. Okay, if you enter buy now right now, take your 20 pips and then get out. So I think for Friday, you are late, or maybe I am late. Who knows? Okay, but this is the beauty. Nobody is nobody's gonna make videos for you instantly. Nobody owes you anything, right? These are free videos. So yeah, this was the sniper entry for Euro USD yesterday. Whenever whatever time zone you live in. So I'm just happy that I was damn correct about this. Okay, so pull back, enter here after this blue candle, and you made your profits. A lot of people might have, might have missed the trend. Okay, anyway, so we are in the uptrend. Anybody who is trying to fool you that the euro is gonna go down, eventually it will go down. Eventually it will go down, but till then you can't just go and counter trade. Okay, so trade with the trend, as they say. We are in the uptrend, as you can see, and clearly in the 4 hour we were damn correct about the sniper entry at this point. Okay, if you like what you see, subscribe, like. I can keep talking all day, but let's leave it for another video. Subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you in my next. Till then, take care.